Afternoon, everybody. I'm gonna go get some food right now, but for most of the day I've just been applying to different work trades. So I applied to like 6 or 7 different work trades to try to get some other place to stay for the rest of the month and also September, because in October I'm gonna be in Spain doing workway in a farm. It's looking for help with their social medias and basically like other content they're trying to create to promote the place. So that's gonna be awesome, but I've just been trying to find other places in the meantime. But currently I'm trying to find some food, so here we go. Time to hang out with some friends and families. I'm not really doing shit. I'm keeping that in there. Showtime, baby. I'll come back. I hate fancy face box. Your heart. Inception. Ball sucks. Yeah, you know the ball. Tender goodbye from Mama Susie. Hey, buddy. It's truly a dream come true. Found this place right here. It's a reasonable price and also pretty close, so works out well for me. Nice. This is a traditional Italian dish. Basically, it's like ham, mozzarella, parmesan, and then fried eggplant and parmesan over the top of it. My mouth's watering. And I'm so hungry, so this is exciting. I'm like, need this food. It's super bad, but. Okay, just hanging out again. They're trying to get me to go out. I don't really want to go out just because I feel like I'm going to spend more money than I have. And I don't really want to do that, so we will see. But I'm just going to hang out here, and I just got a Coke. I'm still applying to a bunch of different places. I'm trying to do some work trade somewhere, so that's kind of the process. And like I said before, the app is called Worldpackers. If you've ever heard of it before, you basically pay a yearly subscription, which is like $70 or like 70 euros, so like $85. And then you can go on and you can basically apply anywhere in the world, and you can just do work trade for free, bouncing around, doing this kind of stuff. So I advise anyone that's going to be traveling around to do that, because it's a lot cheaper. But yeah, so I'll keep you guys updated on what the plan is. But hopefully I have enough strength not to go out. This is what it's like kind of staying in hostels. Sometimes it's super packed and everyone's hanging out, eating pasta at a table, joking, laughing, hanging out and stuff like that. But sometimes it's pretty lonely. It depends on the day or the night and that kind of stuff. But so I think that my plan is for the night is I'm gonna go like hang out for a little while with them, and then I'm gonna see if whether or not I'll go out to the club. I don't think I really want to, just because I'm not trying to spend any money, and yeah, but we'll see. So I'm planning on just eating dinner with them and then going out to a bar here and hanging out, and then once they leave to the club, I'll probably head back home and kind of chill out for the rest of the night. But yeah. So I think this is going to be basically it for the vlog tonight. If you don't know, now you know. My name's Elijah Rubino, and I bought a one-way ticket to Italy, and I'm making it work. So you guys should watch the vlog, like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, make sure that you're keeping up to date with everything, because there's a lot going on. It's about to get kind of crazy here the next week or two, because I'm going to be kind of figuring out a different place to go, and also after that, go to Spain. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Good night.